Hello everyone! We can all agree that 2020 has been tough on everyone. But for me, the silver lining has been that it's forced me to transition to this place my son Colin calls the digital age. With scheduled events, stage programs, and hands-on workshops wiped off my calendar, we literally resuscitated this YouTube channel back to life in April. And while it's been a challenge making it my day-to-day routine, we've seen the level of interest and support this channel has received grow each and every month. So with that being said, I wanted to give you, the amazing supporters of this channel, something that I hope you're as excited about as I am. Today, I'm launching my Patreon page. So if you aren't familiar with Patreon, and don't worry, I wasn't either. It's a crowdsourcing platform where followers or patrons show support for their favorite content creators via monthly subscription levels called tiers. In return, content creators, that would be me, generally will give the additional access, exclusive content, discounts, and more at the different tier levels. I've decided to keep my tiers relatively simple with options at $3, $10, $25, and $200. Within those tiers, we have some really cool perks. There's monthly Creative Edge virtual meetups where I'll discuss and give extra insight into my monthly article as well as field questions from the audience. In fact, my September meetup is this coming Tuesday, and I'm having 2 local flower farmers, which I visited in the article, join me in the meetups. It's cool things like that I would like to share and offer through this Patreon page. I'm also starting a monthly virtual workshop, completely interactive, so that I can see and hear from all of you. I'm really looking forward to that as well, so that's just a sampling of some of the perks offered. There's many more that give great value to each and every tier. So if you're interested at all in supporting this content we're producing here on YouTube, and now with Patreon, please consider a level that appeals to you. You can view all the tiers and perks at patreon.com/HitomiGilliam. Weekly YouTube videos aren't easy, especially for someone my age. So know that every dollar generated from Patreon will be directed towards improving what we've already started, increasing our production value and streamlining our process to deliver the best content possible to you, the viewer. Also, if you can't afford to support us through Patreon right this moment, please don't feel in any way pressured to do so. I will continue producing weekly 100% free content right here on my YouTube channel as always. And if you have any questions at all about Patreon or any of the tier levels, just ask me in the comment section below. Thank you all again, and see you in the next video.